So here I have ControllerKeys on my iPad here. It's using Sidecar to display my desktop, mirror my desktop, and I'm able to just walk around my apartment. And I have this. I can cook some eggs right now and do some coding. So I'm going to open Codex here. So can you go to project/Xbox controller mapper and add in my default profile that I have right now, the configuration, add a mapping or a shortcut to allow me to center my mouse on the screen on the main desktop. Sometimes I find that I lose my mouse and I'd like for a way to center that mouse on my desktop. So I have a mic on me right now. That's how I'm able to get input. And yeah, I can just have it go away and yeah, cook some eggs. For now. Here it's gonna add the profile for me here. Add that configuration in the profile. I'm curious to see how it decides to do this. I'm using Codex right now because I actually ran out of my Quad Max subscription this month, or this week. There's an app called Codex Bar. You see I have 0% left for the week. So yeah. But yeah, anyways, this app is called ControllerKeys. It lets you fully control your Mac via a wireless controller that you can connect to your Mac via Bluetooth or any other wireless way, and yeah, you can use it as a mouse, a keyboard, or a macropad, and you have full control. You can change apps. There's even a app switcher wheel where you can go to different websites. You can use it like a Wiimote. You can use it to trigger your voice transcription, and it's a way to let you really just use your computer anywhere. So I can kind of be using on my computer while I'm even cooking right now. So that's pretty crazy. If you told me that a year ago, I'd think you're crazy. So yeah, go check it out, ControllerKeys. ControllerKeys.com is where you can find it. Okay, so Codex finished here, and I also finished cooking my eggs, and it looks like it remapped it to a DualSense friendly port, which is, go back to this, start and PS button, and you see that'll center my mouse. Yeah, so you can really map any kind of functionality that you can do via shortcuts, which is a lot, and then if not shortcuts, there's a whole ton of other ways you can trigger actions in ControllerKeys that you can set up. So this app is really customizable. You can make it your own for your own workflow, and yeah, you can use a controller. So be on the go, you can do some coding while even cooking. So yeah, go check it out.